Growing outrage today over a politics assignment at a Virginia middle school. Parents say an 8th grade teacher made his students conduct opposition research on the 4 Republican presidential candidates. The students needed to look into their backgrounds and positions to find weaknesses, and then they were told to send their findings to the Obama campaign. You can't make this stuff up, Trace Gallagher.
This is an 8th grade middle school, Liberty Middle School in Fairfax, Virginia. And not only, Megan, were they told to find the weaknesses of the 4 GOP candidates, they were also told to take those candidates, find the weaknesses, and then come up with a strategy to exploit those weaknesses. And then, of course, they would forward all those suggestions to the Obama campaign. Come back on camera. Then the teacher broke the class into groups, right? And he said that 2 students would write the paper identifying the weaknesses. 2 students would then come up with the attack strategy. And 2 students would be in charge of locating someone inside the Obama campaign, right? Well, parents got wind of this. They were a little bit upset. In fact, one parent said, and I'm quoting here, "This assignment was just creepy beyond belief, like something out of East Germany during the Cold War." Well, as you might imagine, the teacher didn't comment, the principal didn't comment, but a district spokesperson did, in fact, comment, saying this was all about trying to learn the process, had nothing to do with endorsing a candidate. Went on to say no one was instructed to send their research to the Obama re-election campaign. Instead, the teacher simply asked his students to find out the name of the office that would receive such information. So they really weren't affecting the outcome of the campaign, Megan. I mean, come on, it's not like they had an impact.
You know, when you said that they gave you a statement, I was expecting it to be they started by researching the GOP candidates, and then the class next week was going to research the Obama campaign, and it was going to be fair and balanced. They were going to do both. No. Well, they didn't actually have to send it in. They just had to find out who to send it to. And then what that teacher does with the information in his spare time, that's none of our business.
Right. Yeah, not like they were impacting the campaign at all, right? This had nothing to do with that. And the school, by the way, this is against school policy. The principal then gently reminded the instructor that maybe next time he allows the students to maybe choose from the party they want to choose to research.
That's what a crazy
So that's
thought.
kind of the deal. Yeah, what an idea.
You know,
Liberty Middle School, by the way.
Just when you think, you know, it can't get any more, you know, one-sided in our education system. Trace, thank you.